All right. To continue from where we stopped, I don't know if you've listened to the previous video, if you've watched it, and in this very one, I will be explaining how to import e-pins. Uh, After you must have purchased electronic pin and then would want to print via the software, I will be explaining now how to analyze electronic pins and then print. So kindly follow us on this audio as we proceed. So that's it. All right. Of course, this is a dashboard. This is your dashboard if you logged in with a computer. This is your dashboard, and then if you logged in with a mobile phone, you still have your mobile dashboard with same features. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to import electronic pins. Now, when you must have purchased electronic pin, whether from us or from any other dealer um, within the nation, um, it can come on PGP encrypted file. It can come on text decrypted file. It's based on security purposes that it's been encrypted on PGP file. So if it is encrypted on PGP file, you will need to decrypt it. Of course, the person who sold it to you will give you the guide on how to decrypt any encrypted ePIN. So apologies, I know these statements might look strange, decrypted, encryption, PGP, but apologies if actually you're not aware of this. Maybe we'll try and squeeze in some audio or maybe visual explanations about it. So that's it. So currently the electronic pin I want to import is already decrypted and it's on text format. Provided you're conversant with your mobile phone, smartphones, or computer, you should know what text is. It's just, it's on text format .txt. So we need to import MTN ePin that has been purchased. Now this is the import option. I believe you can see it. I believe you can see it uh, from here. Then you click on MTN because you want to import MTN. And then here you see index number. You may be asking then, what is this index number? This index number can be anything. It can be number, it can be alphabets. Now, what does it do? It helps you to um, be able to identify a particular badge you imported. It helps you to, you know, take cognizance of the particular badge you imported. Just like I'm about to do now, I want to import ePin. So let me enter um, some anything. It can be a name. It can be a name. It can be a number. So let me just enter maybe um, 15, batch 15, or let me write it B15. This will enable me track that these pins I'm importing, I'm going to name it batch 15. So now I can click on upload. Let me look for that file, that decrypted text file, which is the electronic pins. So, and it has opened my download files. Now, I'm going to use a sample pin so that you guys don't recharge um, uh, our electronic pin. So I'm going to use these sample pins. It was intentionally created for these teaching purposes. So this is sample MTN. Sample MTN, like you can see it, it's on text. It's on text format. The sizes of the electronic pin are very tiny, so you wouldn't say that it's a web format. You're going to be consuming your data or this or stuff like that. So as you can see, this is sample MTN. I've just selected it, and I can double click it to import. I can single click it and then open to import. Then you can see it uploading, and the message has actually popped up telling me that 30 pins uploaded successfully. 30 electronic pins has been uploaded successfully. And then I need to import 9 mobile too. On this 9 mobile, I'm going to enter a badge name. Let me say badge 16. And then same process. This is 9 mobile, so I'm going to look for the 9 mobile um, sample pin. Sample pin. Then here is it. So it will actually upload 50 pins uploaded successfully. As a matter of fact, your ePin, you can request any level of ePin. You're requesting 50 packs of ePin of 9 mobile, 100 packs of ePin of MTN. So that's why you're seeing different numbers in each pack. So having successfully uploaded um, 9mobile, let's also import Glow. Then we can still write badge 17. You can add G to identify its Glow, or anything can go as the index number. It is always used as a reference, kind of assisting reference. So let's look for the Glow file, electronic pin file. So this is Glow. So we'll upload. To load 30 pins uploaded successfully. Finally, let's also do this Airtel before we proceed on how to print. So I can still write it B18 batch 18. Let's look for the Airtel file. And once we've been able to see it, sample Airtel. So now we've been able to upload these 4 networks, 50 pins uploaded successfully. Now I can then refresh my dashboard to see, yeah, of course you can see the numbers. On MTN we have 30 pins uploaded, and those 30 pins, none has been printed, and that's why you're having 30 pins of 30 pin. None has been printed. On 9mobile we have 50 pins, none has been printed, and that's why you're having 50 pins of 50 pins still intact. Likewise Glow and Airtel. So that's it. In my next video I'll be teaching you how to print. I just don't want to make the video so lengthy. So let's get to the next video. I'm going to continue it shortly. So that's it. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your attention also. And let's get to the next video accordingly.